In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a font here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. Once you have your text on the screen, we simply want to click on there. Then we want to come up to the left-hand corner where it says Canva Sans. Now, Canva Sans is the default font used here in Canva. But now if we click on there, we're going to get lots of different options. We have all of the categories just here, which we can scroll through and choose from. It's going to show you the fonts in your document just here, the recommended fonts for you to use. You're also going to see recently used, your brand kit. Now, I don't have any fonts in my brand kit, so there's nothing there. You're also going to see the uploaded fonts. Now, if you want to know how to upload fonts, I do have a separate video for that, and I'll link that down in the description. Then after your uploaded fonts, you'll see all of the fonts available. Now, we can also click onto the search bar and we're going to get more suggestions. Now, I have the recent searches just here, but you're also going to see suggestions under that which you can choose from. If you have a font in mind, we can simply type that in. Let's put bold, just like that, and we get all of these different options. If we click on one of them, it's then going to change our font just like that. We can also filter this search bar. So if we click on show filters, we can filter through languages as well. We can even type in the language of the font just there, and we can filter by free or pro. So if we click on free and click apply, we're going to get all of the different fonts that are completely free to use. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to change a font here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.